Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable biometric login on the Mashreq Bank mobile app using iPhone. Let's start it. First, open the app on your phone. Now simply log in using a username and password. Once logged in, you will see a home screen. From the home screen, tap on More or Menu icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now inside the menu, tap on Settings. Once you are on Settings, scroll down and tap on Security or Sign In Settings. Now look for option labeled Biometric Login, Face ID or Touch ID. Turn the switch on to enable biometric login. Your iPhone will now ask you to confirm your identity using Face ID, Touch ID or your phone's passcode. These steps ensure that only you can enable these features. Once confirmed, biometric login is successfully turned on. From now on, whenever you open the bank app, you can simply look at your phone or use your fingerprint to sign in. No need to enter your password every time. And that's it, you have successfully enabled biometric login on the Mashreq Bank app using your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.